Hi, I'm Jason Frank.
And I'm Jacob Robertson.
Today we're going to present an Android proof of concept application that we built as part of a class at the University of Tennessee in the fall of 2011. The application is called ShareView, and it was built to allow small groups to collaborate in near real time in new and interesting ways.
Alright, so like Jason said, this app that we built really was never meant for anybody to use per se. It was more of a proof of concept that we threw together rather rapidly with a sort of a thrown together back end. So it's not really ready for prime time.
The idea with the application is that each human can provide a unique perspective on the world around them. And so if you can harness that ability and allow you to share that perspective, it can provide some new ways for you to collaborate. So specifically, your view on the world can be unique. So in a small group, let's say a group of 4 friends are going to a concert or a sporting event, each of you are there looking at the same thing, but you notice different things at that event. You might notice the football player that's providing the key block in the game or something else. And if you can harness that and then pass that to your friends, that can be useful. So what we've done here is we have a screen that we divide up into quadrants. So each team member or person in your small group takes a new photo, and those photos instantly get propagated or sent to your other person's device without you needing to send a special picture message or anything like that. Doing your best Vanna White for us?
Yes, everything is reverse.
How this differs from other products that we have seen is that the same team member is always displayed in the same quadrant. So the instant they take a new picture, that image just shows up and you know which quadrant they're in, so you don't have to scroll through anything or find it. And so we think that this could be useful for something like a small, maybe a group of researchers. You picture maybe there's 4 researchers on the outskirts of a volcano and they want to find the best perspective, or just harness the ability of each person providing their own unique perspective. Or you might have a group of detectives that are all working on the same case, and in near real time they want to share an image that provides maybe a different clue. And there's all sorts of other small groups that we feel this could be used for.
Right, and you can see this going on behind us right now. You can see the images on my phone displaying as my colleagues back here are taking pictures. And so it works rather well as it is right now. It could still use some work, but it's pretty smooth. In a best case scenario, it's very smooth and very slick, I guess is the word I would describe it.
And now you can envision further ways to extend this capability. So if we can send an entire picture and propagate that to all of these phones, you can very easily see that we could capture the latitude and longitude coordinates of each phone and propagate that to all other phones as well. So then when the phone receives it, you could have the ability, you could put a button on each quadrant to press and then see their position on a map. So you could flip between photo, map, maybe text messaging, maybe other forms of collaboration or communication. So this is really, I think, just the first step of that sharing in near real time.
All right, so let's try to take a picture here and see what that looks like. So I'm going to hit the menu button and hit my new capture button here, and it's going to give me a camera, and I'm just going to snap a picture very quickly. And then it's going to ask me if I approve. So I'm going to say, yeah, I'm good with that. And so here it's notifying us that the picture is being sent and that it has indeed been successfully sent. As you can see, my quadrant right up here has been immediately updated. And as the picture gets propagated to the server, it should be updated on all the other devices in the corresponding pane.
Then we can single click on that image, and then we have it full screen if we want to view more details. And we can long press and return to our quadrant view. So anyway, this was a demonstration Android application, again, in the fall 2011 at the University of Tennessee. We hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm Jason Frank.
And I'm Jacob Robertson.
Thanks for watching.